is she? We only have 10 minutes to get to school. I don't know why I said I would wait for her.
Carmen, I'm here.
Well, it's about time. What happened to you?
Sorry, I woke up late. Chloe had a club meeting this morning, so she left early and didn't wake me up. It's all Chloe's fault.
Well, come on. We're going to be late for school.
Longest day ever.
Sophie, you think you would have found a brush at some point throughout the day. Your hair's a mess. Here, a brush ain't gonna fix this. I need a makeover. Great idea. I could use a little change. I'm getting a makeover. Carmen is getting a made-to-move body. We just found the curvy made-to-move Dancer Barbie. And I really want to give this to one of our favorite characters from the Derby show. Sophie's Tell It Like It Is best friend Carmen. But there is no way that the current Carmen is going to match that body. So we're just going to have to change her head. Say what? We've been talking about changing Carmen's entire look for a while. On Instagram, we posted 2 options that might match the made-to-move curvy Barbie, where you all could vote for your favorite. 42% say this one and 58% say that one. It's pretty close. Both of these were originally curvy Barbies. I changed this one a while back to a made-to-move body, but that was before I had the curvy. You know, I'm not sure if these are gonna match either. Let's take her out of the box and do a quick test. This is the doll that is currently winning in our Carmen Made-to-Move poll. But I'm not sure if she's a good match. So here's the test. Does the hand match? It's pretty close, but I think the Made-to-Move might be a tiny bit darker. And option number 2 looks like a perfect match. Let's take it a step further and see what the head looks like on the body. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads.
If everyone knew.
Wow, look at that. She looks like she matches. If you look really close, it is off just a little. But if you really wanted to, I think you could get away with it. Option number 2 is perfect. She has blue eyes like the original Carmen, and those freckles give her face so much personality. And she moved up another notch on the poll. Which one do we choose? Look, Carmen, I just glued some eyelashes to my face. Wow, Sophie, just wow. Ooh, what's this? That's some homemade face cream that Grandma made about a year ago or 2. Oh, well, face cream then. Don't mind if I do. Ooh, well, that sure does have an interesting smell. Carmen, I wouldn't use that face cream if I was you. It's expired. I mean, who knows what will happen. Uh-oh, too late. What just happened? It looks like you changed bodies. Yeah, I kind of thought that would happen. Speaking of, I might want to go rinse this hair dye out before something crazy happens. Wait, what do you mean I switched bodies? Don't worry about it. That kind of thing happens around here all the time. Jade's changed like 3 times. I mean, honestly, I'm surprised you haven't changed by now. Sophie, this is serious. I know, but enough about you. My hair. Is it too blonde? In the end, we picked the doll that was the best match for the Made-to-Move body. The curvy Made-to-Move Barbie body has all the same joints as the original one, with movement at the head, shoulder, upper arm, 2 joints at the elbow. They can move at the wrist, at the ribs, hip, upper thigh, 2 joints at the knee, and at the ankle. Curvy Barbies do have slightly larger feet than the original ones, so sharing shoes may not be an option. But they can share a lot of clothes since most of Barbie's new fashions are one size fits most. Wow, Carmen, I love that color on you. Come on, let's be honest. I think most of the new fashion fits the curvy Barbies the best. And I can definitely see our new Carmen rocking some of these looks. Thank you for joining us while we turned Carmen into a made-to-move curvy Barbie. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Rudeness if I'm tripping over your time, but you look so amazing. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart.
We want to give a shout out to the Princess Arya. What's up? There you go. New dress, new look. It looks good, Carmen. It is gonna take some getting used to, but I'm okay with change. In fact, I'm gonna go home right now and change around my room. See you, Sophie. Later, Carmen.